morning guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aquila and I'd love for you guys to join. So I thought I'd vlog today. I decided to look all cute. I just wanted to get myself put together, look a little cute. I have this ring on. It's like a dream catcher ring. And then this little water necklace. But right now I'm actually about to go make myself some coffee, specifically iced coffee today. Oh, also I'm wearing my magnetic lashes. But I'm about to go make myself some iced coffee. Alright, so I finished up washing out my mason jar, but actually I had to thaw out this caramel because I always put the caramel in the fridge, and I want to put some caramel at the bottom of my mason jar and just like all around it. So I'm trying to melt it. I'm just kind of sticking it in this cup and hopefully it kind of melts a little. I might have to stick it, well, I don't know, that might have worked. I might have to stick it like under hot water. Oh yeah, also I have some packages coming in today, so I'm just going to tell you guys. I was going to wait for it to be a surprise, but I actually ordered a film camera. So like a camera that I actually have to go take the film to get developed. I'm very excited for it because when I go to Austin, I'm going to take some cute photos. And then I ordered some film, and then I also ordered this cute mason jar. I ordered this cute coffee mug. It was on sale, so it was originally $15 and I got it for $8. It's kind of on back order right now, so that one's coming in a little later. So within these vlogs, all of my things I get are going to be coming in later, so I'll show you guys everything. I was going to wait and put it all in just one video, but my camera's coming today, so I'm going to unbox it today. I'm going to set it in the water just a couple more, a little bit longer. Also, I wanted to get on and say, I actually like, I'm going to try to set you guys up. There we go. I actually like vlogging 2 times a week. I don't know, I feel like it gives me more time to get things done. And if I do want to vlog a couple days in that week and upload it, I can edit after each day if I vlog something. I don't know, it's just kind of hard to describe it, but it's easier for me and I love doing it. So like, say for instance, I'll vlog today and then I could also vlog tomorrow and Sunday, and all these will be uploaded on Monday. But I don't know, I like my new schedule, uploading on Mondays and Thursdays, and if I do upload 3 days a week, it'll be Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Yes, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But yeah, that's how it's going. I haven't did too much the last few days, just been doing my normal stuff. I got started on You. I've never watched You before. It tastes so good. This is the finished outcome. Alright you guys, so it's been a couple hours. I just finished cleaning the guinea pig cage. I kind of cleaned up that room a little. I have to go and clean the other tanks, but I'm doing that tomorrow. I'm kind of in my closet right now, so the lighting's kind of bad. But I feel like it always takes forever to clean out the guinea pig's cage, but I did have to wash their blanket and little rug this time, so that's why it took a little longer. But everything is actually looking good. I'm still waiting for the blanket and rug to get out of the washer. But this is what we're looking like now. And we have to put down potty paper because we don't want it to leak through the carpet when they go pee. But the room is actually looking a lot better. I kind of organized a lot in here. And Drago's right here. Hi, guineas. Hi. Say hi, I'm Sophia. What you doing, girl? Come on. Okay. Sophia's there. Scarlett is definitely hiding under here. So I didn't say, but I did try to do like strands right here purple. Wow, they look really red on camera, but they're not like that in person. But since I did have red underneath when I was trying to bleach it, the red just kind of bled through. Which, I mean, it still looks okay. My hair's a whole bunch of different colors, which I don't mind, but this is what it looks like. I need to like cut my dead ends. I'll probably do it myself, honestly. But I'm not doing too much today. Alright, you guys, don't mind my lips. I need to touch up my lipstick, but I'm baking pizza rolls right now, and I actually cut my finger on the what's it called, foil, so I love that for me. It hurts so bad. The little cuts always hurt the worst too. I don't know what it is about them, but the little cuts always hurt the worst. And especially paper cuts. But I'm just having pizza rolls, something simple, something easy. I actually did eat a bagel too, but that was not filling, so I decided to go with pizza rolls. Probably not very healthy at all, but it's okay. Oh, paper cut hurts. But honestly, instead of coffee, I think I'm gonna have cappuccino. Pick it up. They didn't have the smaller size, like the 8-pack that I get for $1.68. So I paid like $1.68 for this. They gave it to me for $1.68 or whatever, the 30 pack one. I was like, oh wow, now I'm stocked up for a while. Alright, you guys, so it's been a little while and I went back and forth on what color I should polish my nails. Also, I should have clipped back my cuticles because some of my black polish is still kind of on my nails a little bit and it's kind of where the cuticles are. But I didn't do that, so I just polished them like this. Look at my poor little broken one. Alright, you guys, so this is probably not the best quality, but I did get a package from Urban Outfitters. I already know what it is. If I can open it. Woohoo! My little film camera. Alright guys, so it is day 2 of this, day 2 I believe of this vlog. I just got my camera film in the mail. Everything is arriving earlier, way earlier than it was expected, because I don't know why, but I'm glad. So, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 12:30 or something. I don't know. I tried waking up earlier. I've been trying to fall asleep a little earlier because I fell asleep around 2 and 3 in the morning, and then I sleep in until like 9 or 10. I don't like that. I like waking up early, getting things done. But yeah, I'm not really doing much right now. I'm thinking I need to buy new pots for these things because they need to grow. And they don't have a lot of room, and these to grow, but I don't know how to take these out of these either. I don't want to cut myself. Alright guys, so it's been a couple hours. I decided to just get like my top half ready. I honestly didn't know what to wear. My lipstick, I don't even know. Like today is not a good day for makeup. My hair was looking ugh. I'm just wearing this black tank top and then just this flannel that I got when I went thrifting, and then just shorts on the bottom. I wanted to take some cute photos, well, for the upper portion of my body. But it's really not a good day. I'm just not having a good picture. I'm just not having a good hair day. My lipstick just, ugh, I don't know. That's how I feel. But that's what I'm doing. Not really doing anything else. Probably gonna have some more coffee later. I ate some cereal because I was too lazy to make something, so I just made some cereal. Had some whales. Yeah, I'm not really doing much. I need to pick up my room because there's some stuff on the floor that I need to put back in the closet, so I'll probably do that. Watch YouTube videos because that's my daily life. And yeah, so we'll go on from there. But right now I'm gonna go take photos. Alright guys, so sorry I haven't vlogged much the rest of throughout today. I've just been chilling, cleaning out my room, going through some of my clothes. Now I'm going to make myself an iced coffee. Also, I'm wearing this super cute lipstick. It is Bare Minerals and it is in matte. That's what it's called, but this is just what it looks like. A good little natural lipstick, but still pretty. But yeah, it's about 4:44. I'm gonna make myself an iced coffee. I had coffee earlier, but I'm about to make another one. But even though I don't need another cup of coffee, but oh well. Also, I'm not sure how long this vlog is going to be. It might be short, it might be long. I did vlog yesterday too. I'll probably vlog a little tomorrow. So we'll wait and see.